Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add Instagram feed to Shopify website. The first thing you want to do is open a second tab, and in this second tab, I want you to type in elfsite.com, as you can see right here. And this is the platform that we'll be using to create our Instagram feed widget. All you'll need to do once on the site, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to hover over widgets and you're going to tap on Instagram feed. After you have selected Instagram feed, you will be redirected to this page, and it is quite straightforward to use. All you'll need to do is simply scroll down, then from there you can tap on continue with this template. After you have tapped on continue with this template, you have three options. Is it a public account and hashtags, or is it your business account? If so, you will simply tap on add to website, or you'll tap on connect Facebook, better yet. If it is your personal account, you'll tap on connect to Instagram and you could automatically connect to your personal account. For example, if you are using a public account, meaning someone else's account that you would like to add to your feed, all you'll need to do is simply copy the last part of the icon, right? All you'll need to do is simply copy the last part of the URL, which would be the page name, and you're going to go back right here and you're going to put in the username. Let me do that real quick. Then you're going to tap on add, and you can see it right there. After you have done that, you can now edit how it looks. So you could tap on layout and you could change the layout style from a slider to a grid if you want. You can also change the columns and rows if you want. Also, you can edit the header section if you want. So if you don't want the profile name to show, you can remove the profile name. If you would like to remove the username, you can also do that, as you can see right here. If you would like to hide the following count, you can do that. You can remove any section that you want. After you have done that, you can also change the feed title if you want, and you can tap right where you see post, and again you can make more editing. If you like to remove the like count, you can also do that, and if you like to change the color of anything, you can do that right here. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on add to website. Once you have selected add to website, you're going to be redirected to this page. And from here, all you'll need to do now, once you're finished editing it, all you'll need to do is go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on go to Instagram feed. After you have tapped on go to Instagram feed, you'll be redirected to this page and we're going to tap on install. After selecting install, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on copy code. After you have copied the code, you're going to go back into Shopify. Once on Shopify, I want you to tap right where you see online store. After selecting online store, what I want you to do next, right beside the theme that you're using, I want you to tap on customize. So let's select customize real quick. After selecting customize, you will be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, all you'll need to do now, depending on the page that you would like to add your Instagram feed on, you can add it on the home page. For example, you could simply tap on add section. Then from there, you could select custom liquid and you could put it right there. Or for example, if you would like to add it on another page, let's say for example I were to tap on the home page, and if I wanted to add it to any other page, so I'll tap on pages right there, and let's say I were to select default page. After you have selected the default page, and again this is just an example, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on add sections, then you're going to tap on custom liquid. After you have selected custom liquid, you are going to tap on it, and all you'll need to do is simply paste in this code. Once you have pasted in the code, you are going to tap on save in the top right hand corner, and you can do this on any page. All you have to do is simply select custom liquid and then paste the code and save it, and you can see right there it is now added to my Shopify store. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.